Unleash the power of persistence and consistency with the 7-Day Workout Challenge. Welcome to a journey of transformation, a journey that will redefine your relationship with fitness and open doors to a healthier, more vibrant you. Today, we introduce the 7-Day Workout Challenge, a well-rounded fitness regimen designed to kickstart your weight loss journey and help you shed that stubborn belly fat. What makes this challenge unique? It's all about the power of 7. 7 days, 7 different workouts, 1 transformative week. This approach keeps your body guessing, ensuring that every muscle group gets a chance to work and you avoid the dreaded workout plateau. But it's not just about the variety. This challenge is a testament to the power of regular exercise. Science tells us that consistency is key when it comes to fitness. Even just 7 days of consistent, targeted exercise can lead to noticeable changes in your body and your mindset. Imagine waking up each morning knowing you're doing something positive for your body and health. Think about the feeling of accomplishment after each workout, the sense of progress as you get stronger, leaner, and more confident with each passing day. That's the power of the 7-Day Workout Challenge, and the benefits don't stop at weight loss. Regular exercise is a cornerstone of overall health. It boosts your mood, increases your energy levels, and lowers your risk of chronic diseases. It's an investment in your long-term well-being, a gift to yourself that keeps on giving. But remember, the 7-Day Workout Challenge is not a quick fix. It's a stepping stone, a launch pad to a lifestyle of regular exercise and healthy habits. It's about making fitness a part of your daily routine, about embracing the journey and not just the destination. So, are you ready to take the leap? To ignite the spark of change and let the power of 7 guide your way? Remember, every journey begins with a single step, and this 7-day challenge could be your first step towards a healthier, happier you. Embrace the journey of transformation, 1 day at a time with the 7-Day Workout Challenge. Jumpstart your journey with a cardio blast on day 1. Today is all about getting your heart pumping and those calories burning. We'll kick things off by jogging in place. This simple yet effective exercise not only boosts your heart rate, but also works the major muscles of your body. Next, we move on to jumping jacks. A classic for a reason, jumping jacks are a full-body exercise that increases your heart rate and enhances your cardiovascular fitness. Finally, we'll cap off day 1 with high knees. This high-intensity exercise not only targets your lower body and core, but also gives your heart rate a significant boost. By combining these exercises, you're effectively jump-starting your metabolism and burning more calories throughout the day. Remember, the key to weight loss is consistency, so keep up the good work. Day 1, done and dusted. You're on your way to a fitter you. Day 2 is all about building strength and muscle tone. Let's dive into some strength training exercises that you can easily do at home. First up, we have squats. This is a full-body exercise that primarily targets your thighs and glutes. It's an excellent way to build lower body strength. Next, we have lunges, another fantastic lower body exercise that improves balance and coordination. The beauty of lunges is that they work each leg individually, helping to even out any strength imbalances. Lastly, let's not forget about our upper body. Push-ups are a great way to strengthen your chest, shoulders, and arms. They also engage your core, making it a fantastic full-body exercise. These exercises not only build muscle but also help burn more calories. Remember, muscle burns more calories than fat, even at rest. 2 days down, keep the momentum going. The road to a healthier, fitter you is just beginning. Day 3 is here, and it's time to focus on your core. The core, the powerhouse of your body, is much more than just your abs. It involves every muscle that supports your spine and pelvis. And today, we're going to work on strengthening it. Let's kick things off with planks, a fantastic exercise that works your entire core. Remember to keep your body in a straight line from your head to your feet. Next up, we have bicycle crunches. This exercise is excellent for engaging both your upper and lower abs. And finally, we'll do leg raises, a superb way to target those lower abs. These exercises not only strengthen your core, but they also help trim that stubborn belly fat. They're beneficial for improving your posture, reducing back pain, and even enhancing your athletic performance. Halfway through the challenge, keep pushing forward. We're building a stronger, healthier you, 1 day at a time. Day 4 brings a full-body workout to the table. Today, we're going to take it up a notch with exercises that engage multiple muscle groups for a comprehensive workout. Let's get started. First up, we have burpees. This fantastic exercise gives your arms, chest, quads, glutes, hamstrings, and core a good workout. Not just that, but it also helps boost your cardiovascular fitness and endurance. Next, we move on to mountain climbers. This dynamic exercise targets your arms, shoulders, quads, and core. It's like running in a plank position, providing a fantastic workout for your entire body. Lastly, we have jumping lunges. These are a great way to work your glutes, quads, and hamstrings. Plus, the jumping adds a cardio element that gets your heart rate up. Remember, consistency is key in any fitness journey, and you're doing great. 4 days in and still going strong. Keep it up. Day 5 is your active rest day. But don't just sit around. Even on rest days, it's essential to keep the momentum going. So, what's on the menu for today? Light activities that will keep your body moving and heart rate slightly elevated. You might want to consider going for a leisurely walk, doing some gentle stretching, or perhaps trying out a relaxing yoga routine. Now, you may be wondering, why not just completely rest? Well, active rest is key in promoting muscle recovery and growth. It helps increase blood flow to your muscles, delivering essential nutrients and oxygen. Plus, it aids in flushing out toxins and reducing muscle soreness. Think of active rest as a way of showing some love to your body after the intense workouts. It's your opportunity to rejuvenate and prepare for the next round of exercises. Remember, rest is just as important as the workout itself. You're doing great. Day 6 is all about HIIT. Let's sweat it out. High-intensity interval training, or HIIT for short, is a fantastic way to burn a lot of calories in a short amount of time. This style of training involves intense bursts of exercise, followed by short recovery periods. Imagine sprinting at full speed for 30 seconds, then walking for a minute to catch your breath, and repeating this cycle several times. Yes, that's what HIIT looks like. It's intense, but it's incredibly effective. Another great HIIT exercise is jump squats. These are just like regular squats, but with an explosive jump at the end. Your heart rate will skyrocket, and you'll feel the burn in your legs and core. Lastly, let's not forget skaters. Skaters are a fantastic way to work your lower body and improve your balance. They involve jumping from side to side, like a speed skater in a race. Almost there. One more day to go. Day 7 is here. Time to stretch and relax. As we round off this 7-day workout challenge, let's embrace the calm with some stretching exercises and light yoga poses. Stretching is an integral part of any fitness routine. It increases flexibility, improves your performance in physical activities, and decreases your risk of injuries. Imagine your muscles like rubber bands. The more you stretch them, the more elastic they become, allowing you to move more freely and effortlessly. Now let's talk about light yoga poses. Yoga is not just about flexibility, it's also about strength, balance, and endurance. It calms the mind, reduces stress, and helps you focus. Remember, fitness is not only about pushing your limits, but also about knowing when to slow down and give your body the rest it deserves. So take this day to relax, rejuvenate, and celebrate the hard work you've put in over the past week. Congratulations, you've completed the 7-day workout challenge. You did it! You've completed the 7-day workout challenge. Give yourself a round of applause. You've truly earned it. It's no small feat to commit to health and fitness, and you've shown dedication and resilience. We're so proud of you. Now we're curious to know which exercise resonated with you the most. Was it the cardio blast from day 1, or perhaps the strength training on day 2, or maybe the soothing stretch and relax session on day 7? We'd love to hear from you, so drop a comment and let us know. While you're here, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with someone who could use a little fitness motivation. And of course, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more empowering workout challenges and fitness tips. Thank you for accepting the challenge, and remember, the journey to fitness is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay tuned for more. Until then, keep moving, keep sweating, and keep smiling.